Come test drive the 2015 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, panic alarm, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.